One of the things that Light Home specialises in is double insulated lighting, and one of the things that customers ask for the most is double insulated spotlights, or recessed downlights if you prefer. Now at Light Home we've just launched a range of new spotlights that are double insulated, they don't require an earth connection, and they can take LEDs. They're also available in fixed, tilt and shower IP65 versions, so we'll take a little look at one now for you. As you would expect with modern downlights, this one is fire rated, has the metal can on the back, and also has the layer of intumescent material which would keep fire from spreading. Also has its spring clips for locking into a ceiling when fitting, and also has the spring out arm to keep the electrical connections away from the actual unit when wiring. Now if we take a little look at this particular one, you can see they're the three connectors. I don't know if I can show you clearly enough. Yeah, there you go, look. So there's the live and the neutral. Now what we've done with this particular unit, we've added an additional one in the middle which can be used for an earth connection if you've got one. Well, obviously you don't have to. It doesn't actually do a job, it just literally terminates the earth into the middle. The unit is fully double insulated. It's marked with all the relevant markings, the square within the square. Obviously there is a little cover as well that attaches there like that and covers up the attachment to the ceiling. And this particular unit is an IP65 unit, so there actually is, there we go, the unit you would see from below. This is IP65 shower proof, so it doesn't let steam into the unit, but we also do tilt versions and fixed versions as well. These double insulated downlights are 240 volts, they don't require a transformer or a driver, and each comes complete currently with the LED bulb on our website. As with all double insulated products as well, the actual wiring is fully insulated, so if there's any issues they won't actually touch the unit itself, which is made of metal, but that's not a problem. And obviously the electrical connections are held away from the unit on this bracket here. This is a standard GU10 lamp holder, so you could fit halogen into it if you wanted to, but more appropriate really, you can fit LED, which is more contemporary. So yeah, we'll just fit in like normal, like so. There we go. And the lid would just fit on the outside, like so, and you would just fit into your ceiling flush to that level like that. All Light Home's double insulated downlights are tested fully to comply with current regulations, and each one's manufactured to a very high standard using the highest quality materials. So if you don't have an earth connection and you need double insulated lighting and you want to fit spotlights, then take a look at the brand new double insulated spotlights by lighterhome.net. They're available on our website www.lighterhome.net, along with another large range of other double insulated products. If you found this video useful and informative, please like it. Thank you.